Uncle has a country place no one knows about. He says it used to be a farm before the motor laws. Now on Sundays I elude the eyes and hop a turbine freight to fall outside the wire where my white-haired uncle waits. Da-da-dum ba-dum ba-dum ba-bum ba-dum ba-dum ba-bum ba-dum bum. Jump to the ground as the turbo slows across the borderline. Run like the wind as excitement shivers up and down my spine. Down in his barn, my uncle preserved for me an old machine for 50-odd years to keep it as new has been his dearest dream. I strip away the old debris. Oh, wasn't that guy great? Ah, he was the best. Ah, it's such a sad day. It really is. You know, today we bid farewell to a king. Yeah, we do, huh? Farewell to a Gitchi Ogama. Today we bid farewell to Neil Peart. You know, Neil Peart was such an amazing drummer. Take two. You know, Neil Peart was such an amazing drummer. He was so great that people forgot what a great poet he was. You know, Rush, their lyrics, you know, as a drummer and as a lyricist, there was Neil Peart and then there was everybody else. Ah, I'm bummed out now. I know, me too. Farewell, Neil Peart. You were the best. All right. Well, thanks for watching the show. Hope you're not too bummed out. My name is Natasha. This is Madame BOOZHOO. And we'll see you again. Gigawapamin Minowa. Oh. Jump to the ground as the turbo slows across the borderline. Run like the wind as excitement shivers up and down my spine. Down in his barn, my uncle preserved for me an old machine of 50-odd years to keep it as new has been his dearest dreams. Ah, what a loss. I know. Farewell to a king.